guys, so today I will be doing a what's on my iPhone video. Hey guys, so today I will be doing a what's on my iPhone video. This is updated and a lot on my iPhone has changed, so I thought I'd make another video about it. And I don't know, I just have a different way of sorting things. I mean, some things are similar, but I thought I'd just show it to you guys. But without further ado, let's get on into the video. I have the iPhone 6S. My case right now is just clear. I have a Starbucks gift card on the back and my pop socket is from soccer. Let me start the screen recording. So when you open my iPhone, you just have the calendars on top. I like having Google Calendar because it shows me what the things I need to do for school, like my assignments and all of that, which is really helpful because when it's on your phone, it's so much easier to just go to it and look at what you have. I have it on my computer too. A lot of kids just have it on their computer and it's so annoying because you have to open your backpack, get the computer out, but on your phone it's just on the go, which is great. So if you guys are in my school, I definitely recommend that you guys go get it on your phone. The next app I have is Calendar. I just use my Apple Calendar to plan when to film and just things I need to get done, so that's what I use. So reminders is so helpful for me. I always put reminders like to do things and then I have them on my lock screen so I can't see my background unless I go through my reminders, which is really good. And I have notes which I keep all my YouTube ideas on. Right now that's what I'm looking at. So if you guys want to see these ideas, please comment down below. So I just have photos and Messenger and clock. I use it for alarms in school because I don't have a separate alarm, I just use my phone, which is really frustrating because all the time I always put my phone on vibrate so it never wakes me up. The next app I have is YouTube. This is probably definitely my most used app. I'm always watching YouTube videos, commenting on people's videos. Yeah, I like the YouTube app. I mean, that's what you're watching on right now. So I have weather, which is helpful, Facebook, App Store, and Spotify. Spotify, I use this all the time. There's this new update where you can't really look at other people's accounts, but I'll just show you guys my playlist. I have one playlist called Now, and I just edit it like every month. And I'll remove songs I don't like anymore and add songs. Now is just basically all the songs I like right now. So this is kind of just, my music taste is kind of just everywhere, but I've really been enjoying Billie Eilish lately. If you guys have been watching my recent videos, I've been using a lot of her songs in the background of them. So I just have a shopping. My notifications are so annoying, so I'm gonna put this on Do Not Disturb. So my next folder is my shopping folder, and lately I've been trying to, save some money and stop shopping, so I haven't really been opening this up very much. But I have American Eagle. They have really good sales going on all the time. You just have to check, but in the store they never show their sales. And I have Hollister, which is also, I don't really know why I have Hollister. I don't really shop there anymore, and I don't really like their stuff anymore, so I'm just gonna delete that. I have Abercrombie & Fitch, where I never use, but I thought it'd be good to have it. I have Amazon. We have Amazon Prime, so I do use Amazon often. Urban Outfitters, Etsy, Panera Bread, and Lily Pulitzer. And in my games folder, I have Make Hexa, Swing, Sing, Minecraft, and Piano Tiles. I haven't been playing a lot of games lately, but I think I should play more when I'm bored. But for editing, I actually use a lot of these apps. I use Visco. Don't really use Huji, but it makes really trendy pictures, which is nice. I use Fonto. I use Fonto to edit my thumbnails. I use Facetune for whitening pictures, if I have a little pimp, smooth that out. And I use Lightroom. I'm kind of new to this app. I'm just trying to see how it works and all. And I use PS Express to rotate and flip pictures. And I use Layout for collages. And this is kind of just the apps where I'm like, why is it here? Then I have settings and settings, camera, Instagram, got the goods, Instagram. Got Snapchat, which is private, the networks, basically Netflix, FaceTime, BuzzFeed, Musi, HQ, Twitter, Pinterest, followers, which tracks your followers, the CW, SoundCloud, Music, Guitar Tuner, because I've been learning some more guitar, Musical.ly, and Instuner, which is for my violin. And basically this networks folders, basically things I use, but I don't use very often, so it's kind of just if I'm bored and I want to do some online stuff, I'll use that. I have school, basically just Gmail, Docs, Duolingo, Khan Academy, just things that I use for school. And I have She Reads, but the Bible, which is for confirmation class stuff, which is helpful. And I just have health, basically helping go to sleep, all that tracking stuff. Basically, this is my selling folder. I have Vinted, which I don't really use, Mercari, Poshmark, eBay, sell on Etsy, Ibotta, and PayPal. Basically, for Mercari and Poshmark are my most used apps in this folder. I use Mercari a lot and Poshmark. I sold 3 things on Mercari and I've sold 1 thing on Poshmark, so I'm kind of new to this whole selling my old stuff thing. I have Shop Tagger, which is actually an app where you can, let's say you have this item that you really like, you can shop tag it and wait for it to be on sale and it'll send you a notification. And Dote is basically like just sale stuff and to find it. And Book Scouter is where you can sell your books. I recently got this and haven't started using it yet, but there are a lot of books that I'm not using anymore, which I'd like to use. Oh, I completely forgot my bottom 4 apps. I have iMessage, Safari, Phone, and YouTube Studio. I never use Phone, but if there's like an emergency, I want it there so I can like quickly click on it. So that's what's on my iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was super fun to film, and my last what's on my iPhone was also really fun to film. And I'm sorry if you guys hear me like popping this pop socket. It's so satisfying. Comment down below what's on your iPhone, what iPhone you have, or if you don't have an iPhone, what phone you have, or if you have Samsung, comment down below why you guys like Samsungs better than Apple phones, because I'd like to see this argument happen. If you guys liked my video, I film like lifestyle videos and just like how to, I don't really know what I film. I'm trying to find my niche recently. I've been trying to find like what my channel is targeted for. I want to give you guys like purpose or a message, but there's no really clear message that I'm sending right now, which is not very great, but I'm working on it. And if you guys just like my video in general, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys all next week.
So don't take advantage, don't leave my heart damaged. I understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. Oh, so won't you send me your location? Let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just